Hello guys, welcome to Vinjin Vlogs. So today what are we doing?
Today we have an exciting game called Never Have I Ever.
Yes, so we thought we will do this and we have, how many questions do we have?
16 questions.
We will be taking them from this pouch one by one and we have this things.
What I have and this is I have never.
Each of it. There you go. And this is mine. So we'll pick each question. Are you ready?
Started. Yes.
You
Very
want to pick first,
excited.
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. The first question is,
Yeah.
Never have I ever stolen things from a hotel. Always.
Yeah, I know.
Always.
You're planning to steal it from here, right?
Yeah. So I'm going to
But
put it there.
not bigger things, right? Just
Yeah.
toiletries.
What's
Have you stolen like a robe or something?
No. But
Not
I have
those.
always wanted to.
Slipper?
I have. I have.
Thought so. Okay.
Okay, your turn.
Let's take the next question. Never have I ever hit someone in anger, stranger or a known person.
I have. Have you?
Yeah. Have you?
I have.
Where? Who?
When I met with an accident
Yeah.
in anger because of him I fell down. So I just took out my helmet and I
Hit him
thrashed
up, huh?
him with that. Yeah, I
very
did.
nice.
So, what about you? I didn't know that you hit someone.
I hit like one of my friends by mistake. I also got hit. But 10th standard.
Really?
It's a story. Yeah.
And how? Why did you hit?
Because we were playing something like table tennis or something and the ball went somewhere in the class table tennis. So he went to search for it. It was just right in front of his eyes but he couldn't find it. When I just went, I saw and I just took the ball like what is this game? But he gave me back also.
Good.
But we are still very close friends. Okay, let's go to the next question.
Yeah. Read partner's messages.
Yeah, I have. You
So
also
many
have.
times.
Yeah, but not like hiding and reading.
Hiding and reading also no
So
problem.
that also no.
Yeah,
Okay,
I
fine.
have.
Okay, fine.
You can't tell,
No
okay, I'm
further
reading your messages
investigation.
and then.
That's also
Yeah,
there.
of course.
Never have I ever eaten expired food.
Oh my god, I have.
When
I am terrible at noticing
Yeah.
spoiled
I know.
food. I'll not get to know at all, so I end up eating
And there is-
whatever I get. I'll not even realize
That's
it.
true.
So,
And there's one more thing about you. Even the food is good. By chance, if you say that it tastes funny, you will feel that it's spoiled from
it's
there on.
spoiled.
Then she'll not eat. So it's a total.
yes.
But yeah.
But I'll not realize by myself.
Correct.
Have you? What did you say? You
I have.
Have you?
Yeah, I can eat anything. But I have eaten
Ah,
too.
shit.
I have mixed paisam thinking it's curd.
Yeah.
I know you also have done.
I have eaten biryani mixed with bread halwa. I didn't know they'll serve biryani with bread
You
halwa.
thought it's raita, no?
No, I thought it's like that brinjal wala, that sherwa type.
Oh, it's dark brown, no? That's why.
So I thought it was that, and then I've mixed that.
I also have eaten
Oh
like
my
in
God.
that normal sadhya is there, right? It was paisam actually. I thought it's curd. I put it in the rice. I mixed everything and
you
I
ate
ate.
payasam with rice.
Yeah, and that also with those
Yeah.
brothers, friends. So I couldn't act like it's wrong.
It's not good though.
Yeah,
Is it my turn?
yeah, of course.
Okay, this is fun.
It's really good. Getting to know you better, I think.
Oh my god. Peed in the pool.
Every time I go to the pool,
I have.
see that.
Maybe when I was young, okay?
Not
So- Not
I do
now.
now
No,
also.
now. Not now. Obviously not now.
I do it now.
Yuck, I am not getting in the pool with
Don't
you
get,
ever again.
Don't eat. It's a big pool.
Don't
nothing
eat,
will happen. No, don't get in the pool.
Yuck.
It's not
What do you
pro-
mean?
No,
like
I think everyone does it.
No one-
They don't accept it.
They do it when they're young. Not
I do it
not
when I'm now also. I am sure you also have done.
No, I have done it when I was young.
Okay. But where do you go? You cannot control.
Yeah,
and
you
keep
can
it
get
in
up
the-
and go right to the washroom. Who's
Maybe-
gonna sit in the
No
pool and
one-
gonna
no
pee
one- no.
thinking
Have
that?
you noticed one thing? No one keeps a washroom next to pool. Have you seen
Oh
that
my
anytime?
god.
Have you seen a washroom next to pool?
I see.
I don't think so.
I have seen. Maybe you have
It's
not
meant
seen.
to be done there. Chlorine is there. It will kill everything. Really?
That doesn't mean that
Such
you
a
get in
big
the
pool.
pool and you pee in the pool.
I can
Ooh,
do.
gross.
Next time you think of that.
I'm
I have
not
to tell
getting in the pool with you ever, okay?
No issues. I'll push you inside the fridge.
Yuck.
Next, ready?
You.
Never have I ever forged a signature.
Always.
I think
Dads and moms. I used to practice my dad's
Oh.
signature like habit. It used to be
Symbol
like
case.
chuma. Yeah, and I have signed also few papers.
Yeah?
I've got less marks,
Ah.
of course. I have done it.
So
Dads,
now they are hearing.
not moms. I told
you
dad
told
few years
afterwards.
back. Yeah, I've told him. No problem. Now I'm trying to learn your signature so that
my signature.
in future, if it's
Never
required,
possible.
it's possible. It's possible.
I have forged house owner's signature. I don't know whether I'm supposed to tell this here. So many things are done, but yeah, very for good things, nothing bad.
Oh, good things or bad things? That doing that is bad.
HOD signature
HOD signature. That
For,
is too much.
transcript.
Teacher signature and all
for
this.
transcript, not for college things.
Shameless.
Okay,
I am doing at least moms and dads.
Move on.
Regifted a gift that was once given to you.
You have? That means which all gift did you give me that is re-gifted? I would like to know right now, right here.
Not to you.
Then
But I know maybe I don't exactly remember when, but I know I have done it because I didn't find time and I had to give something to someone and I've given it to that person.
still bad.
It's okay, no problem.
I have not done guys. Whatever I get, I will keep it in my bag.
No problem.
Never have I ever broken something and blamed it on someone else.
As in a shop
Anywhere.
or
Yeah,
at
shop.
home or
Home, shop.
have you?
I have, yeah. You know who I blamed it on?
No.
Sia. Symbol case.
What?
Yes.
You did it on me. You did it with me.
Yes. I forgot what. Some
You
showpiece.
put it on Sia.
Yes, I told Sia's his tail hit and it fell down.
Oh my god, cunning fellow.
Sia can talk.
I think I did it when I was young and I blamed it on Gaurav, maybe, my brother.
Are you hearing?
Yeah, he was the only one to blame. So, elder one. So, I can blame anything on him.
Nice.
So, I would have done that at home. But
Okay.
outside, no, I have not.
Not in shop.
I have not.
Because you have not broken anything.
I have not broken anything in the shop.
Careful person.
I have a doubt that you would have broken something in the shop or
Shop?
something because you always keep meddling
I
with
just
things
touch and
all
keep it
around.
back. No, I have not broken it. Even if I have broken, I have not blamed it. I have just kept it back and just. put it
Adu
from-
same, ella same.
Then okay. Then I.
My turn. Had a crush on a teacher in school or college. I have. Oh,
Yes.
I have not heard this story.
Why?
Who is it?
I have not heard your story.
You
either.
have heard. I have told you so many times.
Who?
That PU maths teacher.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, oh.
Worst hated subject but favorite teacher. Trigonometry. Oh my god. Never used to get in my head what
Nice.
crap it used to be. But then the teacher bandre.
Ayyo. Nice.
You?
Me?
Huh?
English.
English? What is that? English?
English teacher.
Where?
But not crush. No. It's to be nice. that's all.
Where?
Ooty.
College?
Ooty.
Really?
Mm.
Oh.
Yeah. Maybe nice. Not like, crush like crush, but.
Crush
used
like
to be
crush
like-
means
but
that
everyone
age
used
crush
to like,
is crush.
everyone used to like.
You-
I'm getting confused. Are you ready for the next question?
Yes.
Never have I ever given fake contact numbers.
I've never done that.
Me too. No one asked me also.
Liar.
Nothing to like.
Liar. Just maybe a week back when we went to Pizza Hut or Domino's, they asked for contact details and you didn't know that number and you're like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, whatever you wanted, you
That is
give.
Pizza Hut.
It doesn't matter. You've
To
given
whom?
a fake contact. You've
Ah,
given a
then
fake
okay.
contact.
In
You
that
did.
case, I have given to many places because I don't want them to call for promotional calls.
That doesn't matter. Have you given fake
You are not
contact?
given, huh?
No, I've never done that. I'm a very genuine person. Yes.
Okay. Let's see.
Gone a week without a shower.
Sadly,
No,
happily. Yes.
no,
Yes.
no.
Yes.
no.
I am.
Don't do it.
What? Don't do it. No problem.
Yuck. It's
You start
gross.
taking
It's
bath only,
horrible. It's
Skin
unhygienic.
cells will go away and chumma.
Asaya.
What?
What?
Much
What
better.
scientific stupid
Of course.
reason you're giving?
Over
No ways.
bath, over soap, over chemicals on the body. Not good.
Yeah.
I will not have it.
1 week.
Just
1 day.
now I am
1
taking
days
bath daily
also.
only because of this hair. It's not staying properly. Otherwise I wouldn't have.
1 day is okay. Not
What?
a week.
Week
Not
is
more
cool.
than a
You
day.
should see that feeling, that nice.
Yeah, that yucky feeling and that unhygienic feeling.
Yucky feeling you will get if you are dirty. If you are clean by nature, no problem. Like
I got nothing to tell you.
yes, me too. No problem.
Kiss someone of the same gender.
Kissed as in
Cheeks?
yeah.
Yes, I have.
On the lips, but yeah.
No.
Cheeks okay. Cheeks
Yeah,
very fine.
cheeks. Very fine. Ooh,
Huh?
ooh. You're not
Hugging.
that kind of huggy. ಅದು kissing,
No,
hug
hugging
ಅಲ್ಲ.
and kissing, no, for something. When I forgot, but I have done.
You
Not,
really?
yeah.
Hmm.
Small neighbor kids also, small boys,
Ah,
babies.
like that.
Same
Babies.
gender.
Okay, fine.
Next question. Never have I ever farted while traveling on a plane. It's an all simple case.
Yuck.
You've never.
I have never done it.
I have. I have farted also. I have got some from someone's fart also. What? Truth only. Aircraft, no, it's very stuffy. The cabin is compressed, pressurized, so smell stays where it is for a long time.
Gross.
I just took that what do you call for that? That magazines will be kept, right? So best is just it'll go back or to this side if you are in the best is in these cases if you are a person who farts, sit in the aisle seat so that you can just put it to the aisle.
What
Otherwise,
all hacks are you teaching over here?
it's not a normal method.
Yuck.
To travel, you should know all this.
My God.
This is not a simple case. You will get from someone. So aisle also, if you get from someone also, you can just put your head outside the aisle and just relax.
Terrible.
Next question.
Can we please go to the next?
Right.
I had loose motion but couldn't make it to the washroom. Never.
But almost in the verge sometimes. Not now. but
Started.
It's not a problem. If you're wearing a white pant,
Yeah.
it looks like a decent style. If you're wearing a jeans, it look faded.
Yeah.
But safest is black pant. Only smell you have to take care somehow. But otherwise, all cool.
Cut.
Never have I ever lied to your parents about your night outs.
Every time. What?
I was in hostel. Why will I lie? Where will I go from the
This is
hostel?
the biggest lie.
No,
This is
I-
the biggest lie.
I have
Whenever
Huh?
I used to go out with you for night out, I used to lie only and
You used to lie. I never used to tell. No one used to ask. I never used to lie. No. I never used to. No one used to ask.
You never used to inform. Okay,
Ah.
you were old enough. Okay, anyways. But I used to lie. But now it's okay. No problem. With you,
What
so.
a confidence.
Without you also.
We'll talk after this.
Let's talk. No problem. Tasted dog's food.
One thing about me, guys, I can eat anything that's edible
Yeah,
to
yeah,
any
yeah, yeah.
animal. So I have
I thought
tasted
you were on the
bird food.
verge to taste, but you
I
have
have
not.
tasted.
But have you? Yuck,
I have tasted that
man.
jerky. I have bit that white bone. I have eaten one piece of pedigree also. And also, yeah, before giving Sia, I need to taste. No? And also, without your knowledge, I have tasted that bird food also. Just in case. And also, when we had fish at home, I have tasted their fish food. Small balls. I have tasted. If fish can eat, we can eat. No, it will not.
No.
Nothing will happen.
Vinay, they've given.
And I
They've
have
given properly on the packet that it's not for human
Yeah.
consumption. That means you're not supposed to eat or even taste
No.
it.
Human consumption means to eat it like a meal. You can taste.
Oh my
Tasting is not a
God.
problem. Yes. How many more questions? Oh,
That's it.
That's it.
So guys, hope all of you have enjoyed this
Session.
session and
And you guys got to know a little bit more about us.
yes,
And we will be back with more and more interactive, fun,
exciting.
foodie, traveling content very, very soon. And also don't forget to like our Instagram page, which I'll
I
just
was
put
going to
here.
say like, share, subscribe, like finger.
Our Instagram page. And one more thing I would like to say that we just noticed that most people who are watching our videos are not subscribing to the channel, and we promise we'll come back with really great content as time goes. And please do subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.
And like, share, also comment of what you guys think.
And any suggestions if you've got for us to do our next vlog.
Correct.
So we're gonna end our vlog with this. So till then,
Till then,
see you.
see ya.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.